All right, so you have probably figured out some workarounds to make your time using Classkick a little bit simpler. I have a couple more that I want to share with you and would love to know if you've already heard of these. And if not, hopefully they will also make your life easier and easier for your colleagues as well. So one of the things that we hear a lot at Classkick is that people wish that we had like an equation editor or a way to put math type into Classkick assignments. I'm here to tell you that that is something that we are aware of, that our engineers and product managers are working on, evaluating, are in the works, are on the map. They just aren't ready to ship out yet as new features. So I apologize for that. But in the meantime, I am going to show you how to get around that problem and to insert symbols into your Classkick assignment really quickly and easily. So the way that we're going to do that is using a website called Symbol Salad. There are several websites that work like Symbol Salad, but this one is the one that teachers tend to like the most. So I'm going to navigate there and I'll put links. There's links on this page here for you to find Symbol Salad and bookmark it so you don't lose it. So this is Symbol Salad. Basically, all you have to do is find any of the symbols you're looking for, click it, it'll copy onto your clipboard, and then you can use your keyboard shortcuts to paste it into your Classkick assignment. So when I was teaching, I used the division sign all the time. My students didn't always understand the slash, and I wanted them to be familiar with different symbols. So I'm going to just click that. It's copied onto my clipboard, and I'm going to navigate back to my assignment and use my keyboard shortcut to paste it into my Classkick assignment. So yeah, super simple. You can insert this into your assignment wherever it needs to be. You can, if you have old enough students, you could even teach your students how to grab and copy and paste symbols from Symbol Salad. Let me show you that again. There are tons of symbols here. These are all the ones that are like the common ones, but if you scroll down and click on any of these, you can find additional symbols, so many symbols. I used these fraction ones a lot when I wanted to show fractions this way. So yeah, tons of stuff here that you can copy and then paste into your Classkick assignment.